In this video, we'll show you how to connect Alpena's PositionPodz kit. You'll need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure that you have all your parts. Now that we've laid out your PositionPodz and their hardware, make sure to untangle all your wires. To proceed with assembly, cut the wires leading to the Try-Me battery pack, making sure to leave yourself enough slack for later. Now, locate a desired mounting location that will not obstruct or otherwise impede any of the vehicle's functions. Prep your PositionPodz bracket for mounting by cleaning the bracket and intended mounting surfaces with a 50-50 mixture of hot soap and water or alcohol wipes. Dry with a shop towel. Once the surfaces are dry, peel one side of the 3M tape and apply the 3M adhesive strip to the PositionPodz bracket. Next, taking the supplied black ground wire, attach the spade connector and crimp using a pair of crimpers. Disconnect the negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. Attach the positive wire from your PositionPodz to a 12-volt fused power source, ensuring that the connection is properly secured and sealed from the elements. Attach the negative wire from your PositionPodz to the black ground wire and ensure that the connection is also secure and sealed from the elements. Use the spade connector on the black ground wire and attach it to a clean, secure mounting position on a chassis ground point. Reconnect the positive terminal, followed by the negative terminal or ground connection. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. Use cable ties to clean up any excess wiring, keeping it away from extreme heat or moving parts. Now test your PositionPodz by turning on your vehicle's lights. You're ready to go.